Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting in store for you. We're going to dive into the world of dental hygiene and talk about the best electric toothbrushes for 2024. If you're looking to upgrade your oral care routine, stay tuned because we've got some fantastic options lined up for you. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. The Hum by Colgate Smart Electric Toothbrush Kit. Rechargeable sonic toothbrush with travel case and bonus replacement brush head. Teal is a smart electric toothbrush that uses sonic vibrations to clean teeth and remove plaque. It connects to a smartphone app to provide personalized brushing feedback and tracking. The kit includes 1 rechargeable smart electric toothbrush handle, 1 replacement toothbrush head, 1 charger, 1 travel case, 1 bonus replacement brush head. The toothbrush has 3 brushing modes: normal, sensitive, and deep clean. The app provides personalized brushing feedback and tracking, including how long you brush, which areas of your mouth you brush best, and how much pressure you apply. The app also includes challenges and rewards to help you improve your brushing habits. The toothbrush is powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 10 days on a single charge. The travel case is compact and lightweight, making it easy to take your toothbrush with you on trips. Overall, the Hum by Colgate Smart Electric Toothbrush Kit is a good option for people who are looking for a smart electric toothbrush with personalized brushing feedback and tracking. It is also a good option for people who travel frequently, as the travel case makes it easy to take your toothbrush with you. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Hum by Colgate Smart Electric Toothbrush Kit. Rechargeable sonic toothbrush with travel case and bonus replacement brush head. Teal. Pros: smart features such as personalized brushing feedback and tracking, 3 brushing modes to suit different needs. Rechargeable battery with long life. Travel case included comes with a bonus replacement brush head. Cons: some users have reported that the toothbrush is not as powerful as other electric toothbrushes on the market. The app can be glitchy at times. The toothbrush is more expensive than some other electric toothbrushes on the market. Overall, the Hum by Colgate Smart Electric Toothbrush Kit is a good option for people who are looking for a smart electric toothbrush with personalized brushing feedback and tracking. However, it is Number 4. The Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 6100 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush is a mid-range electric toothbrush that offers a good balance of features and performance. It uses sonic technology to create vibrations that clean teeth and remove plaque, and it has 3 brushing modes and 3 intensity settings to customize your brushing experience. Features: sonic technology for deep cleaning, 3 brushing modes, clean, white, and gum care, 3 intensity settings, low, medium, and high pressure sensor to protect teeth and gums, brush head replacement reminder, 2-minute timer with quad pacer, rechargeable battery with up to 2 weeks of battery life. Benefits: removes up to 100% more plaque than a manual toothbrush, whitens teeth in just 1 week, gentle on sensitive teeth and gums, easy to use, long battery life. Overall, the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 6100 is a good choice for. Number 3. The Waterpik Complete Care 9.0 Sonic Electric Toothbrush with Water Flosser. CC01 Black 11-piece set is a combination oral care device that includes both a sonic electric toothbrush and a water flosser. It is designed to remove plaque and debris from teeth and gums and to improve overall oral health. Sonic Electric Toothbrush. The Sonic Electric Toothbrush in the Waterpik Complete Care 9.0 has a unique brush head with multiple bristles that move in a side-to-side and back-and-forth motion to dislodge and remove plaque and debris. It also has a built-in timer that ensures that you brush for the recommended 2 minutes. Water flosser. The water flosser in the Waterpik Complete Care 9.0 uses a pressurized stream of water to remove plaque and debris from between teeth and below the gum line. It is especially effective for people with braces, implants, and other dental work. Features: the Waterpik Complete Care 9.0 has a number of features that make it a convenient and effective oral care device, including ultra-compact design that saves counter space, rechargeable sonic electric toothbrush with 3 cleaning modes, clean, whiten, and massage, water flosser with 10 pressure settings and 5 flossing tips, large reservoir capacity, swivel handle, and magnetic cradle. Benefits: the Waterpik Complete Care 9.0 offers a number of benefits, including removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas, improves gum health by up to 50% more than string floss, helps prevent tooth decay and future dental work, is gentle on sensitive teeth and gums, is easy to use and maintain. Overall, the Waterpik Complete Care 9.0. Number 2. The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige is the most advanced electric toothbrush from Philips. It features Sensi technology, which uses artificial intelligence to learn and adapt to your brushing style in real time. The brush also has a variety of other features including 5 cleaning modes: Clean, White Plus, Sensitive, Gum Care, and Deep Clean plus 4 pressure sensor levels, a smart timer that ensures you brush for the recommended 2 minutes, a travel case, and charging glass. The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige is a high-end electric toothbrush, but it is also a very effective one. It has been shown to remove up to 100% more plaque than a manual toothbrush and to improve gum health in just 2 weeks. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. Pros: very effective at removing plaque and improving gum health. Sensi technology learns and adapts to your brushing style in real time. Variety of cleaning modes and pressure sensor levels. Smart timer ensures you brush for the recommended 2 minutes, travel case, and charging glass included. Cons: expensive brush head replacements can also be expensive. Some users have reported that the brush can be noisy overall. The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige is an excellent electric toothbrush. It is expensive, but it is also very effective and has a variety of features that make it a. Number 1. The Oral-B EO Series 9 electric toothbrush with 3 replacement brush heads. Black Onyx is a top-of-the-line toothbrush that offers a variety of features to help you achieve a clean and healthy mouth. One of the most notable features of the Oral-B EO Series 9 is its magnetic EO technology. This technology uses a unique combination of oscillations and microvibrations to break up plaque and remove it from your teeth. The toothbrush also has a built-in pressure sensor that helps to ensure that you are brushing with the right amount of pressure. Another great feature of the Oral-B EO Series 9 is its smart brushing modes. These modes include Daily Clean, Sensitive, Gum Care, Whitening, and Intense Clean. You can choose the mode that best suits your needs, and the toothbrush will adjust its settings accordingly. The Oral-B EO Series 9 also comes with a variety of other features, such as a built-in timer, a charging travel case, and a smartphone app. The app can be used to track your brushing progress and get personalized feedback on your brushing habits. Overall, the Oral-B EO Series 9 electric toothbrush with 3 replacement brush heads, Black Onyx, is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a high-quality electric toothbrush that offers a variety of features to help them achieve a clean and healthy mouth. Here are some of the benefits of using the Oral-B EO Series 9 electric toothbrush. Removes more plaque than a manual toothbrush, helps to improve gum health, whitens teeth, gentle on sensitive teeth, easy to use, comes with a variety of features such as smart brushing modes and a smartphone app. If you are looking for a top-of-the-line electric toothbrush, the Oral-B EO Series